Hello everyone, and welcome back to your free English speaking course. This is lesson 25, and today's topic is very practical and essential, talking about work, jobs and career, in English. In this lesson, we will learn how to speak naturally about your job, your daily work routine, your career goals, and even job interviews, using simple, fluent, and confident English. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to introduce your job and responsibilities clearly, talk about your workplace and work hours, describe your career goals and ambitions, ask and answer common job-related questions. Use professional English phrases for work conversations. So let's get started and take your English to the professional level. Part 1. Talking about your job. Basic vocabulary. Let's begin with some useful words and phrases to describe your work life. Word. Phrase meaning. Example, job. Meaning. Something you do to earn money. Example, I have a full-time job. Workplace. Office. Meaning. The place where you work. Example, my workplace is near my home. Profession. Meaning type of skilled. Occupation. Example, teaching is a respected profession. Career. Meaning long-term work path. Example, I want a career in marketing. Colleague, coworker, meaning the people you work with. Example, my colleagues are very supportive. Shift, meaning work. Schedule morning-night closing. Parenthesis. Example, I work the night shift. Boss manager, meaning the person who leads a team. Example, my boss is very understanding. Practice. Tip. Think of your own job or dream job and make one sentence. I work as at _. Part 2. How to introduce your job when someone asks, what do you do? Here are several natural ways to reply. Basic answers. I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer. I work in a bank. I work for a software company. More natural and detailed. I work as a graphic designer at a marketing agency. I'm currently working as a nurse in a hospital. I run my own business from home. I'm looking for a new job at the moment. Practice. Say aloud. I work as a _. I'm currently working on . Part 3. Talking about daily work routine. Let's talk about what you do every day at work. Use the present simple tense for your daily routine. Examples, I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. I usually check my emails first thing in the morning. I attend meetings and write reports. I help customers solve their problems. I work with a team of 5 people. Tip. Use time words like usually, often, every day, in the morning, etc. Example paragraph. I work as a sales manager in a retail company. I usually start work at 9 in the morning. Every day, I check emails, talk to clients, and prepare sales reports. I enjoy working with my team, and I love the challenge of meeting sales targets. Part 4. Talking about career goals. It's not just about your job now, it's about where you want to go in the future. Here are some useful expressions. I had like to, my goal is to, I'm planning to, I hope to, I want to build a career in the future, I see myself as. Examples. I had like to become a manager one day. My goal is to work in a multinational company. I'm planning to study business management. I hope to start my own business in the future. In the future, I see myself working abroad. Pronunciation practice. Repeat. My goal is to build a successful career. I'd love to grow and learn new skills. Part 5. Talking about job satisfaction. Talking about how you feel about your job is a great way to sound natural. Positive feelings. I enjoy my job. It's challenging but rewarding. I love working with my team. My job gives me a sense of purpose. Negative feelings. My job can be stressful sometimes. It's tiring, but I'm learning a lot. I don't have much free time. I'm thinking about changing my job. Example dialogue. A. Do you like your job? B. Yes, I do. It's very interesting, and I get to meet new people every day. Part 6. Asking others about their work. Here are some questions you can use to talk to others about their job. Question. Example. Answer. What do you do? Answer. I'm an accountant. Where do you work? Answer. I work at a bank. Do you like your job? Answer. Yes, I enjoy it a lot. What's your work schedule like? Answer, I work from Monday to Friday. How long have you been working there? Answer, I've been working there for 3 years. What's your dream job? Answer, I'd love to be a travel photographer. Tip, use do you, what and how questions to keep the conversation going. Part 7. Talking about job changes and career growth. Sometimes, we want to move forward in our career. Here's how to express that. I'm looking for a new opportunity. I'm thinking about changing my job. I'm trying to improve my skills. I recently got a promotion. I'm taking a course to upgrade my knowledge. Example conversation. A. What are your career plans? B. I'm planning to apply for a higher position. I've been preparing for it for a few months. Part 8. Different types of work. Type example. Full-time. Example. I work full-time at a hospital. Part-time. Example. I have a part-time job in the evenings. Freelance. Example. I'm a freelance graphic designer. Self-employed. Example. I run my own bakery. Internship. Example. I'm doing an internship at a law firm. Remote work from home. Example. I work remotely 3 days a week. Tip. Practice using these in real sentences. Part 9. Job interview practice bonus. Let's look at common interview questions and natural answers. Question 1. Tell me about yourself. Answer, I'm a dedicated and hardworking person. I've been working as a teacher for 3 years, and I enjoy helping students achieve their goals. Question 2. Why do you want this job? Answer, because it matches my skills and interests, and I believe I can make a positive contribution to your team. Question 3. What are your strengths? Answer, I'm organized, responsible, and good at communication. Question 4. What are your weaknesses? Answer, I sometimes take on too many tasks, but I'm learning to manage my time better. Question 5. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Answer, I see myself growing professionally and taking on more leadership responsibilities. Tip. Keep your answers short, positive, and confident. Part 10. Practice challenge. Answer these questions out loud or write them down. What do you do for work? Do you like your job? Why or why not? What's your dream job? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Example answers. I work as a web developer. I enjoy it because it's creative and challenging. In the future, I hope to start my own tech company. Part 11. Motivational closing. Remember, your job doesn't just pay your bills, it shapes your future. So keep learning, keep improving, and use English to open new doors in your career. Speaking English fluently can help you get better jobs, meet more people, and grow professionally. You're doing amazing, one lesson at a time. Next lesson, Lesson 26. We will talk about English for job interviews and professional communication, a powerful topic to help you shine in your career. Keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn today takes you closer to your dream job.